Hi there, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add subtitles in CapCut desktop. Subtitles improve accessibility and boost viewer engagement, so let's go step by step to get them added effectively. First, open the CapCut desktop app on your computer. On the home page, click New Project or Create Project to start editing. Next, click the Import button to add your video file to the media library. Once imported, drag and drop the video onto the timeline at the bottom. Now let's add subtitles. You have two options. Option 1. Auto Captions. Easy method. Select your video clip in the timeline. Click the text tab on the left sidebar. Choose Auto Captions. In the Create Caption panel, select your video's audio languages. Click Generate, and CapCut will automatically generate subtitles for you. Option 2. Manual Subtitles. Go to the Text tab on the left sidebar. Click Add Text and select Default to create a text box. Type your subtitle in the text box. Adjust the timing by dragging the text layer adds in the timeline. Use the right-hand panel to customize font size, color, position, and animation to match your video style. Finally, touches. Play the video, ensure your subtitles are correctly timed. Update text position or timing if needed. To edit multiple captions at once, select all text layers using Ctrl-A. Then modify font size or color in the right-hand panel. Auto-generated captions may need manually corrections for accuracy. Once satisfied, click Export in the top right corner, set your resolution and format, then save your edited video. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.